This is the Spray and Wash Laundry Stain Remover, the Max kind with Oxy Action. I highly recommend this stain removal spray. It is the one that I keep going back and rebuying because I feel like it really does get every stain out. I haven't had one that it hasn't gotten, which is really nice. It even says toughest 7-day dried-in stains, and I can be the first to say that that is true. Smells really good. You just put it on the shirt or clothing item, whatever it is, right when you get a stain on it. Kind of rub it together once it's sprayed on and then throw it in the washing machine. And it has worked for me every single time. Also, this is a bottle that is 22 fluid ounces and it will last me months. You don't need a ton, you just need a little bit for it to get that stain. So I would highly recommend this product.